Welcome to my channel. Is your Windows 11 Recycle.Bin showing a strange file name like $rxxxxx when you try to delete a file? Don't panic. Your file is not renamed. This is mainly a Windows Recycle.Bin display bug. In this video, I will show you what this problem means, why the wrong file name appears, and how to fix it safely step by step. We will restart Windows Explorer. Before you delete anything permanently, make sure you check the real file name inside Recycle.Bin. Do the next equals greater than do not delete files quickly from Recycle.Bin. Until it is fixed, open Recycle.Bin and check the original file name before permanently deleting. The wrong $rxxxx name is mainly in the confirmation box, not the Recycle.Bin list. Update the Windows now. Do not run random registry fixes. This is a known Windows bug, so the best fix is Windows Update plus restart Explorer, then restart the computer. Don't delete the files from Recycle.Bin. Restart the computer. This is a known Windows bug, so the best fix is Windows Update plus restart Explorer, PC.